Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to get YouTube TV free trial and promo codes. Let's dive right in. So essentially there are two methods to go about promo codes. The first method would be to have a friend of yours give you a referral code. Keep in mind this friend should have a plan for YouTube TV. Now for example, as you can see here on my screen, we have the YouTube TV homepage. What you'd like to do for a referral code is to go into the profile icon on the top right hand corner. Once you've clicked that, right there should be a option, refer a friend. Go ahead and click on that option. Now once you or your friend have done that, all you simply have to do is go to settings. On the left bottom corner you should then see promo codes. Go ahead and click that, and once you've done that, right here go ahead and paste in the promo code your friend has given you. The second way you can go about this is by simply the use of the internet. Go ahead onto Google and type in YouTube TV promo codes Reddit. Now as you can see here, go ahead and click on any link. It'll take you to Reddit, and here you have multiple options, multiple referral codes that you can click on, and those will be beneficial as they will give you a discount for your YouTube TV. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.